back at it. I'm gonna stop somewhere sooner than later for something to eat and to drink. Section 9 done. I'm on to section 8. For us. How you doing? What's happening?
What's that?
What's happening?
They're paving.
Are they? It's beautiful to ride on. What's my go around? I'm following this trail system, so.
Where are you headed? Where is your next turn off? The other side of the park here?
So, this is where we are? Yeah, like this takes me all the way down to Waterville, I guess.
Okay. So, you would go back out to 287.
Okay.
Now, I know there's other routes, but I can't get you through any of them.
Yeah.
But you'd go out to 287, which is the last main road here.
Yeah.
So you follow this out, get across the bridge, which is still this road.
Yeah.
And take a right, and that's still this road, but
okay.
it tees off after the bridge. There's
okay.
a road that shoots up the hill.
So stay to the right.
Stay to the right. That'll take you out to 287.
Okay.
Take a right.
Yeah.
It's all going to be right.
Yes.
Run down, and I think it's something like 10 miles. It's a little ways down there.
Okay.
You're looking for 973.
973. Gotcha. And that'll bring me, hang a right there?
Yep, you hang it right there. Follow that out. It'll bring you out to 44, which is the road this road dumps out on.
Right, Waterville.
Yep.
Okay, gotcha. Perfect.
I know there's a way to go up over the mountain, but I can't tell you how to get
I might get courageous and try it, but...
I know someone looked it up on GPS and got up over when I was down at the bridge.
Yeah.
And I know they went straight up. So it would be a left up over.
Right.
But like I said, I don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
The other end of our job here is right at the parking area next to the dam.
Oh, I got you. Okay. All right. Perfect. All right. Thanks, pal.
Yep. Nice.
All right. Thanks. Have a good day. Thank you. here. This is your typical small town America. Look at these beautiful pine trees just flanking the road. I love that look. I really like this town. Well, ain't that America, you and me? Ain't that America, something to see, baby? Ain't that America, home of the free, yeah. Little big couches for you and me, for you and me. I think I'll be going up and over that mountain there. Was it here where Josh fell? This is where you want your suspension set just right. Climbing up, up, up on a switchback. It's probably the toughest terrain, and it's again not that hard, but it's loose, big rocks. Can puncture a tire. That's why it's important to have your air pressure set for this kind of stuff. Stay back on the pegs, loose grip. You control your throttle. You want to power out when you have to. That's why you wear boots. Just took a big rock right to the foot. Felt it, but it didn't hurt. Boink. That's why you pay the big bucks for those skid plates. Right, Walter? Oh, it's right up here. Joshua. Right here. 3 years ago. I don't want to say anything because happens to anybody. This is where Josh went down. Tell me you're okay. Give a thumbs up for the camera. Always look forward, pick your line. May not always be the best line, but it's your line, so own it. That skid plate doing its thing. Making my way up this mountain. Bash plate earning its keep. Ho ho! That might be it. For those bigger rocks for now anyways. Mill Run Road. Look at this. Seem to have a little bit of a conundrum. Not sure what this guy is doing. Is he stuck there? We'll see what's up. Oh, I see. Can't sitting on that rock there. If he pulls forward, I don't know how he got down there. Oh, I was gonna say we wouldn't be able to lift this over. How did that get down there? How did it get down there?
Oh, yuts in it, so it wouldn't hit the front end nowhere.
Oh. Whoa. Just pull him. Okay, let's get out of here. Temporary setback. Look at this place. Absolutely gorgeous. It's not difficult riding at all. Surface is hard packed. I mean, it gets loose sometimes, but have fun with it. I think the most dangerous part is reminding yourself to stay right, because you never know what's coming around the corner. Because these roads, they aren't like just for motorcycles. There's tractors, there's work vehicles, there's trucks, there's cars, there's big logging trucks. So stay right, friends, stay right. You get the idea. See what I mean? Are they even open? Hi.
How can I help you? Are you one of the riders?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have reservations for tomorrow.
Okay.
But I'm a day early.
That's fine. You're more than welcome to come a day early.
I didn't think I would move that fast through the trails. Yeah, come all the way from Canada.
Well, you're gonna have to like go jump in the pool and cool yourself off. Here's my glasses. Sorry, I cannot see.
Oh, no.
When you turn 21, it's hard. Yeah.
Good for you.
Okay.
Is that okay to put on Visa?
You can.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, here we are on Vinman's Adventures. We are, we've completed section 9 from north to south, section 8, and now we've dipped into section 7. We're at a campground here that I highly recommend if you're looking for a place to stay. It's called Sensational Family Campground. As you can see, the bike's here, and that's my cabin for the night. 50 bucks. That's pretty decent price. I'll give you a little tour on the inside. First of all, we got the showers are right there. Got my fire pit here. Barbecue if I want. I don't think I have anything to barbecue yet. And inside here is full of bunk beds. So nothing but sleeping. It's got air conditioning, table that I've pushed off to that side. All my bags are going to stay dry because there is a chance of showers this evening. I kind of dipped in and out of showers today, but all good now. All right, so I'm going to sign out. I'm going to go for a swim. There's a salt pool just over in yonder, and I'm going to check that out. All right, so Good Man's Adventures. See you tomorrow on the trails. We're going to do section 7 And I probably get into section 6 a little bit. I'm gonna look at the map later on and see what I'm up against. All right, thanks for tuning in. Ciao. Turns out I was pretty smart. Diane won't admit that, but look at this. It's pouring rain. Pouring, absolutely pouring. Now, I've been lucky all day because it was supposed to rain all day, and I just got a little bit of, couple of showers here and there. But when I got to the campground here, a couple of things. I was tired. I did over 370 kilometers today, all off-road. I know that's not a lot, but when you're like averaging a speed of 40-50 kilometers an hour, that's a lot. And so when I got here, I was like tired. I didn't feel like setting up a tent and camp. So I took a chance and asked if they had cabins, and whammo, do they ever. So here I am under my covered porch. The bike wasn't covered, but that's all right. All right, so there you have it. Just waiting it out. I already had dinner. I'm gonna have a couple of beers now, and it doesn't look like I'm gonna have much of a fire, but that's all right. Maybe an early night will give me an early start tomorrow. All right, cheers. Enjoying every minute of this ride. I might have bit off more than I could chew.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small